Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 BMW 118i. Now of course you do get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You also get front parking sensors. You then get these brilliant, freshly refurbished diamond cut 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Around to the rear we've also got rear parking sensors. Into the tailgate now, we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we do have part cloth, part leather interior with your orange accents as well. You've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all around. Into the front, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. Just below that you have your media controls with your drive select, engine start stop. Got a wireless phone charging pad just here. Stereo controls are just here as well. Then coming up to the climate settings, we've got your heated seats up here as well. Then up to the infotainment screen, we have your various audio sources which you can see here. So you've got DAB, FM, Bluetooth and USB. You've then also got satellite navigation as well. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the left. Over to the right, you have your volume, track select, and onboard computer, and then your Bluetooth hands-free voice assistant. Onboard computer is on your indicator stalk just at the end. And then as you can see, this car has done 37,402 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this BMW 118i, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.